Namaste. This is the palm of a lady who has got extramarital affairs, and we have discussed this in the previous post on the Facebook. Now you can see this line here. Let us look at the negative and the positive signs in this. The negative signs we will discuss first quickly. So, as you know, this is the Ketu Rekha. The Ketu Rekha has a branch. This particular branch is now connected to a line to the Jiva Rekha. Right now, whenever there is a horizontal line or a line that crisscrosses or cuts through the Buddha Rekha that has a patch, obviously this person does something which is outside of the society, or such person might do believe in something else than what the other social customs or traditions of that particular area or caste or the family, what they think, this person thinks exactly opposite, or there could be some financial related issues with this person. If it is a male chart, the predictions are different. If it's a female chart, the predictions are different. Here it's a female chart and palm, therefore the predictions are different. Now, as you see here, this palm has got a lot of disturbance in this area, which is the Mesha Rashi, and you can also see that the Shani finger has got a til, that is mole, exactly at the center in the lowest phalange, and you can see the Guru finger is abnormal. You can see that this part is longer than the last part, like the third. Generally it should be equal length, but this is slightly, or in fact abnormally, longer than the last phalange. That is just few of those rare things in this palm. You can also see one island here. I'll zoom this here. You can see this island here very clearly seen. From this island, this line that goes like Chandra, that is Chandra Yuddha, we have explained this earlier. This Chandra Yuddha line touches the headline is Kuja Rekha for women. You know what it means. And once it touches the Kuja Rekha, the Kuja Rekha suddenly branches out. As it branches, some of it, you can see the Nadika Rekha. Can you see the flow, the energy flow of Nadika Rekha is now again getting transferred to 8th, which are having these signs, which are Ripurekha, right? So you can see two things here. As the Chandra Yuddha, that means the Chandra Rekha, as it Chandra Yuddha touches the Kuja Rekha splits and goes here one side and tries to bottom out here in the 8th house, but one branch of it goes towards this side, which again goes and tries to touch this particular line. So you can see how things work. Now this shows scandals, as you know very well what Chandra in Nadi means, isn't it? So it's very clear that this lady has got problems, and I had predicted this to her husband, that there would be a problem with his wife, this lady. Okay, so it has come accurate, but these are the negative signs. There are of course many defects in the headline, and there are lines going up this way. And as you know, I have explained this particular part in detail earlier, how to judge extramarital affairs. Very clear indications are there. Now let us see some positive signs in this palm. If you see, I've zoomed out. See, one has to see the picture quality is very important. If you can see here, there is a clear triangle. I hope you can see this triangle, very clear trikon. Now this trikon generally on the Shukra Parvat is considered to give money, but whenever you analyze anything in palmistry, you should look at the thickness of the lines. Let's see, these two lines are thick. The vertex here is very, one second, the vertex here, you can see this, the vertex here is very dark. Here it is okay, it is very thin here. The base of the triangle is very thin, whereas these are very thick. It means unethical means of earning money. Money is there, but unethical means of earning money. Now you will see that one more line that emanates from this is touching this. This is the Shukra Rekha, which has got a beautiful offshoot that promises money, and it is packed as well. So it shows lots and lots of money coming in, but this money is as a result of something unethical, number one. However, you can see that even though the person will gain lot of money, but this money eventually will lead to troubles. I will tell you how. You can see here that when I explained to you about the Chandra Yuddha, you can see this line. The see where the line goes at the end. You can see this line goes and tries to meet here again. So everything is coming to an end here. It means some kind of you can say scandal, lot of money, and then some unexpected thing happening, because these are ripu rekha. One of the ripu rekha is trying to touch this formation. Ripu rekha means, the sixth house, which we generally have, but here it is eighth house. Sixth house is here. I've already told you this one is also not good, but ripu rekha is different from what you learn in Ripu Sthan in astrology. This is Ripu Rekha, and that is Ripu Sthan. That means sixth house. Here, Ripu Rekha also means the same thing: Shatru, or enemies, or opponents, or some kind of opposition, or legal disputes, something like that. Okay, but here again, this money that has been gained because of this triangle and this beautiful offshoot that is actually promising a lot of money, this money has got connection at the end to the eighth house, where we see all the lines dropping. Therefore, overall, the person will earn a lot of money, but there will be something very bad happening, either to her, or to the progeny, or to something very close to her, or someone very close to her. Well, there is divorce written in this palm very clearly. I don't want to give you those signs here. Those are something which are linked to advanced palmistry. There are very clear divorce signs in this palm, and the person is cunning, and there are signs of that here as well. You can see very well the person is very cunning, and of course there are issues other than that which we can see here. Well, this is a basic analysis, just to show the good and bad sides of this particular palm. Thank you.